airplanes, one of the more, especially on a larger airplane where you know you're going to be a lot of maintenance on it because it's going to be flying for 30, 40 years probably, is the maintenance aspect and how can you repair it? And
Yeah.
is it something that you can repair? Obviously, there's theoretical repair and there's actual repair. The
Hmm.
theoretical repair is like, I can't, the theoretical repair is like, yeah, there's a bolt there. If I just loosen this bolt, it's all going to come apart and fix it. The actual repair is like, can I get my fingers and my tools in this area to physically get that bolt out? Yes or
Oh,
no?
don't get me
Yeah.
started on that. I used to repair cars in high school. Some of the most angry I've ever been was trying to dislocate my elbow to get down into the engine bay to get
Yeah.
this one bolt out. And you're
Yeah.
like, good grief.
Airplanes, we have a place usually every airplane has a place called the hell hole. And the hell hole is a place where it's just crammed and there's no place to sit in there. So you're kind of like leaning on or got your knees on equipment and it's hot and you're working in the dark and you're trying to fix things. There's always a hell hole in an airplane. And for whatever reason, we haven't gotten away from that. It's like a rite of passage for some reason. But
Yeah.
the maintenance of those things is a nightmare. It's a nightmare. There's so many systems jammed in a small space, and it's just crazy, crazy.
Yeah. Well, and you wonder, I assume probably back in the day, it was the same thing in airplanes as it was with cars. So like for me in high
Oh
school,
yeah,
I had a 67 Bronco. My brother had a 65 Mustang that we worked on, and so much extra room in the engine bay. Like those things were easy to work
yeah,
on compared to, it's hard to change your oil in a car today. It's like,
yeah,
which is frustrating
yeah.
because like, well, when I was 17, I took my engine out, I replaced my clutch, I replaced my transmission, like I replaced all these parts. And so like now I'm 25, older and wiser, I can't even change my own oil.